Ever wondered what the future of money looks like? As we journey into the depths of the digital age, two contenders vie for the title of future currency, Bitcoin and gold. Today we delve into the world of Bitcoin and gold, comparing their value, security, and potential as the currency of the future. First, let's examine their value. Bitcoin, the digital gold, derives its worth from its scarcity and the ever-increasing demand. This decentralized currency is finite, just like gold, but it lives in the virtual realm. On the other hand, gold's value is anchored in its tangible properties. It's not only a precious metal but also a crucial component in numerous industries. While Bitcoin's value is volatile and speculative, gold has been a steady store of value for thousands of years. Next, we turn to their security. Bitcoin's fortress is cryptography and a decentralized network. This digital currency relies on complex mathematical equations to keep your money safe. On the other hand, gold's security is as tangible as the precious metal itself. It's safeguarded through physical means, such as vaults and security personnel. But remember, both have their vulnerabilities. While Bitcoin carries risks of hacking and loss due to user error, gold is susceptible to theft and loss through natural disasters. Finally, we consider their potential as future currency. Imagine a world where Bitcoin, due to its digital nature and global accessibility, becomes the standard for commerce. It's not limited by borders or banking hours. On the other hand, gold, while valuable, is confined by its physical nature and storage complications. It's like comparing a sleek modern spaceship to a classic sailboat. Both have their merits, but only one can travel to other galaxies. While Bitcoin's future is uncertain, it offers possibilities that gold simply cannot match. In summary, we've explored the intrinsic value, robust security, and promising potential of both Bitcoin and gold. Whether Bitcoin or gold will become the currency of the future remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the future of money is changing, and we are part of that change.